The 2011 Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled 6-speed automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, cruise control, compass, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, power windows, trip computer, tachometer, daytime running lights, heads-up display, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.